G'day YouTube, and welcome to another episode of Dave's RC Garage. Today I've got something a bit different. Let's have a look at it. Okay, as you can see, today we've got the new Associated DR10. Well, it's not that new anymore, but this is the first purpose-built drag car that I've ever had. So let's get this open and have a look what's inside. Alright, let's get this open. Oh, there you go. I've built a lot of Associateds over the years, but I've never had I've never had it come out in a big bag in one like that. Wow. Okay. So majority is in there. All that's left in here is, it looks like a little toolkit, stickers and instructions. First thing I pulled out actually was the chassis for this car. So all one piece at the front here. Really wasn't sure what I was expecting with this kit. Last Associated I had was the 64. Yeah, the four-wheel drive race car. Before that was the Nitro, and before that, one before that was actually ready to run, which was the SC10. Next bag out here has got our bumpers and holders for the battery. There's both rims in there, front and rears are in there. Next, so we've got more bumpers and a wheelie bar. The sway bar, that's one of the benefits of getting this kit over the ready to run. Shock bag. We've got here our diff, little diff parts. Gearbox, all the parts to go with that. So body mounts, turnbuckles, one of my favourite jobs ever. Not. And motor cover, gear cover, sorry. Drive shafts and rear hub carriers. Looks like all the front end arms and shock tower. So this will be the rear end arms and shock towers. Looks like more front end parts. Steering, yep, that's the steering. The bag that tried to run away was, that's the hub carriers, okay, for the front. The steering knuckles. And then lastly, I'm going to keep this nice and quick, it's just a quick unboxing. One thing while I'm getting this out, I will say, if you're brand new to RC, if this is going to be like one of your first cars, seriously go get the ready to run of this, because the amount of extra stuff you get, like tyres, the body, radio, electronics, for the price increase, it's well and truly worth it. I only went this way in the sticker sheet because I've got all those bits from my years of doing RC. So it made more sense to me to get the stuff I want straight up instead of getting the ready to run. What is this one? Oh, actual catalogue. I haven't seen a catalogue in a kit for a while. Nice. Always good to put a bit of self-promotion in there for yourself. Okay, so this one, check out, looks like the body mounts are in there, maybe. I'll have to have a look and see what these parts are for. Doesn't look like they're body mounting, but we'll find out soon enough when I get to build it. So that's it for the unboxing. Hope you enjoyed the video, and remember to like and subscribe, and I'll be back next video with the chassis built and we'll have a look over it then. Till then, take care.